I'm Andrew Hellickard. I'm the president of Stella Maris Academy.
And I'm Hillary Hauer, and I am humbled to have served as the inaugural president of Stella Maris Academy.
Next year, we get to welcome over 700 students into our academy, and we get to carry on the legacy of over 150 years of people who have invested in and cared deeply about the mission of Catholic education.
On September 20th, we will gather here on the grounds of Stella Maris Academy in a special event called Lights of Honor.
Lights of Honor will give us the opportunity to say thank you and honor those people who have prayed for, given to, and cared deeply about our mission. In addition to that, we will award a recipient to the Lumen Christi, the Light of Christ Award, that has truly brought light to our mission.
To learn more about this special event, please visit our website, and we encourage you to submit names so that we can recognize the special people who have impacted Catholic education over the years, and we encourage you to nominate someone for the Lumen Christi Award.